The European Union has recently adopted a new regulation to combat deforestation and protect the world's forests. This regulation will ban the imports of certain products into the EU if they are linked to the destruction of forests after December 31st. These products include coffee, wood articles, chocolates, soy, and other commodities that are often associated with deforestation. This regulation will have a significant impact on India's exports to the EU, which are worth about $1.3 billion annually. According to a report by Global Trade Research Initiative, GTRA, the products that will get affected from India are coffee, leather hides, skin, preparations, oil cake, paper and wood furniture. These products account for almost 1,200 Indian tariff lines that will be covered under the EU Deforestation Regulation, EUDR, and the Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, CBAM, another EU initiative to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. India will have to comply with the EUDR by ensuring that its exporters can prove the supply chain integrity of their products through a trace and track system, and that they follow the relevant laws in the country of origin regarding land use, labor and human rights. This will add to the compliance costs and administrative burden for Indian exporters, and may affect their competitiveness in the EU market. The EUDR has been criticized by some experts as being discriminatory and protectionist, as it aims to reduce imports of products that the EU wants to promote its own local production and exports. The EU has a highly protected agricultural sector, largely dominated by large global firms, and it has a trade surplus of $36.2 billion in agricultural products. In the EUDR may also undermine India's afforestation efforts, which have resulted in an increase in its forest cover over the years. Therefore, India's exports to the EU of products like coffee, leather hides, paper and wood furniture worth $1.3 billion annually will get affected by the EUDR, which is expected to come into force from December 2024 for large firms and June 2025 for small firms. India will have to work on mutual recognition of certification with the EU and seek exemptions or concessions for its products under the EUDR and CBAM frameworks.